Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have the May IPSY Plus bag to unbox. Stay tuned. Okay, so IPSY is a beauty subscription that you get every month. There is a glam bag, a plus bag, and an ultimate bag or box. I get the plus bag, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items, and you get a little like a little bag to put makeup bag. So you get a little makeup bag and you get 5 full-size products. I will put the pricing and the description of the other two, the glam bag and the ultimate. So I wanted you to see my box. That's what it looks like when you open it. And then it says, on the inside it says, discover yourself. Okay, and so let's get started and see what we have. Okay, first, for those of you who know me, welcome back. Thank you for watching my videos and checking me out and hanging out for a little bit. And those of you who do not know me and may have just stumbled upon my channel, or you've been on here once or twice, if you could, please subscribe down below, hit the bell, also hit the like button. And for those of you who know me, and for those of you who do not know me, I am legally blind, and I like to let you guys know that ahead of time before I start opening up the boxes. And the reason I want you to know is because I have glasses on. Yes, they are very strong, but I still cannot see regular print or large print with my glasses on. So I use my iPad to make everything big so that I can read and be able to tell you just a little bit about the product and the price. I'm not going to go into in depth about each of them. I can list the products below, so if you like those products or want those products, you'll know what they are called, okay? So, and the retail value of each of these. Okay, so what I want to show you guys first is the bag. So this box says, get the glow, and each month the box is something else, like a theme. So get the glow is this theme for this box. This is the bag that comes into the box. It's really pretty. It's got like blue, and I don't know if it's green or grays with yellow. So that's really cute. Every month you get a new makeup bag. So the inside, let me show you what the inside looks like. Oh, well, this is really cute too. It's got a tassel on it. So when you zipper it up, it has that little tassel. And I think the inside is yellow. So it's lined on the inside. And you can put a little few things in there to take when you're traveling. So once again, this is the bag for this month. Okay, so I am going to, let me start with the first item. So online, IPSY has an app. So let me show you. I can go like this, and I can see each of the items. So this is how I read what I've gotten in the box. Okay, item number 1. This is made by a company called Aftermask. So it is a Aftermask serum that you put on, and it says about this item, it says Aftermask Vitamin Serum, pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, nourishing, and protecting. It is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so the retail value for this right here is $52.88. And so this is a serum that is infused with vitamins and minerals to help your skin after you do a mask. So I've never tried one of those, so I'm interested in trying that one. So there's my first item. So here is item number 2. It is a black mascara. Go ahead and open that. Here is what the container looks like. And I'm not gonna pop this one open because I may not use this and I may put this in a giveaway. I still have like 2 or 3 mascaras that I need to use up first. So let's see what it says about this one though. It said it is made by Beauty for Real. And it says it's a high definition mascara in just black. Okay, let's see what the retail value is. That's a full size, but the retail value is $19 for that item, and it is at 9 milliliters. Okay, so that product was a $19 value. Item number 3 is a liquid lipstick. Let's go ahead and open that one and see how it looks. That's pretty. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open this one because I will probably use this one. Okay, let's see if you can see it on my hand. It's a really pretty color. A little bit more. Yeah, that's pretty. Sugar Rush Sugar Coat Velvet Lipstick in the color Cupcake. And this is full size, as all the items are in IPSY. And it says full size MSRP $15. So this one is 15. So that is my third item. Item number 4. If I get the packaging in there. That's pretty packaging on it. Oh, okay. There is a mirror, so we will try and hide that mirror. Here are the colors. Okay, let me tell you what this says. So it says it is made by the NOMAD Cosmetics, and it is the Nomax Sydney Brothers Kiss of Sun palette. So it has the bronzers and the blush in there. The MSRP is $27 and it is 0.80 ounces. Okay, this is the last item, the item package. It is an eyeshadow palette. This is the one that you're allowed to pick one of the items, customize one of the items. So I really liked the colors in this, and I like that it is easy to travel with. It's pretty small, but it has lots of colors in it. So let me see if I can open this thing. There it goes. So it does have a little mirror across the top, which I'll cover. And here are the colors. They're really pretty. I would probably use all of these colors, even the dark ones for, you know, the side, the edge of your eye. They looked really soft. In this one right here, it looks kind of like a terracotta color. I like that too. That's pretty. So let's see what it says about this one. So it is Color Radiance Cosmetics. It is called the Mimosa Moment Palette. Let's see what the MSRP is on this. Here it is. Okay, so the full size MSRP is $22 and it is a 0.72 grams. Okay, so that is all of my 5 items that I received. Let me total this up. I want to see what the total is. Okay, so I added all the products together, all 5, not including the bag because they don't give you a price for that. So the total was $135.80, and then I paid $25 for the box. Do I think it is worth it this month? Yes, I do. I didn't get as many skincare products in this box. This was more like a makeup box today. I did get this bag, and it kind of reminds me like you can just wipe it off type of bag. It's not cloth, so it's more like rubbery or a different kind of material. And it's got the cute little, I love that. It's cute. Okay, so I got this. I did get the Aftermask serum, so I am planning on doing a mask this weekend, so I will try this after I do that. I also received this beautiful eyeshadow palette, which I really, really love. I love those colors. I mean, it's not like a huge amount of each of them, but how much do you need, right? So this will be great for the cruise too. I did receive the mascara. And then I received the bronzing and highlighting. So I did receive that one. Okay, and the last item I received was the lipstick, which is called, the color is Cupcake. So I'm definitely gonna try this. So $135.80 retail value for $25. I think it's a really good deal. Every box is always different. You don't know what you're gonna get except the one that you get to customize. And I customize that little eyeshadow palette. I just love it. So we're getting ready for summer. So you've got, you know, stuff to brighten up your skin after you do a mask. You've got the little sunshine bag. And you got mascara and eyeshadows that are neutrals. And then the bronzing and highlighting. So I think my box is pretty good. So to those of you who come back all the time and watch my videos, who are loyal and just hanging out with me, I just want to say thank you for coming back again. I appreciate it. Click that like button for me if you don't mind. Those of you who are not subscribed and you're new to my channel, come hang out with me. If you want to subscribe, you can below. Just click the subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications when I put out new videos. And I will be putting out a lot of new videos over the next week. I have several subscription boxes that have came in and I'm ready to open them and go. So I hope everybody's doing great. I hope you're all staying healthy and safe in isolation when you can. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.